Good evening, class 8. Let us start second class of the lesson Development Projects in Nepal. Different projects have to be launched for the overall development of a country. Some ongoing projects in Nepal are Mustang Road Project. Look at the scary roads. I don't want to travel. Sagarmatha National Park Conservation Project. Melamsi Drinking Water Project and others. In the same way, some completed projects in Nepal are Kalanki Underpass Project, Darbar High School Reconstruction Project, Janakpur Jayanagar Railway Projects, and so on. Today, in this video, we will discuss about three projects in Nepal. Let us start with Rural Water Supply and Sanitation Project in Nepal. The ongoing Rural Water Supply and Sanitation Project covers 9 districts in Western and Mid-Western Development Region of Nepal. Its main purpose is to fulfill the basic needs and ensure right of access of the poorest household to safe domestic water. The project has given priority to awareness related to sanitation and hygiene practices in the area for healthy life. The project has played a great role for improving real incomes of women. It assists women in the area to identify different ways to earn income. The government of Finland is supporting the government of Nepal financially and technically to launch the project. Now, let us move to School Sector Reform Program. In short, it is also known as SSRP. The government of Nepal has prepared an education sector plan covering the period of 7 years from 2016 AD to 2023 AD, which is known as SSRP. The plan has objective to provide equal access to education for all the children in the nation. It aims to produce the needed human resources for the prosperity of the nation. It focuses on providing textbooks and other materials for quality education. It has even given priority to reconstruction of the schools destroyed by the massive earthquake in 2072 BS. The total estimated cost of SSRP is US dollar 10,577 million. Now let us talk about today's last project, Dhulikhel Sinduli Bardivas Highway Project. The other name of Dhulikhel Sinduli Bardivas Highway Project is BP Highway. It was named after the first elected Prime Minister of Nepal, Visheshwar Prasad Koirala. The construction of BP Highway started in November 1996 with a grant assistance of Government of Japan. The main objective of the road is to connect capital city Kathmandu with Eastern Tarai. This road joins Dhulikhel along the Ornico Highway, and see the picture. Now you can see Dhulikhel Bazaar, and it is the junction of two highway, Ornico Highway that comes from Kathmandu and BP Highway, that is Dhulikhel Sinduli Bardivas Highway. This highway joins Bardivas along to the east-west highway. You can see in the picture, this is east-west highway, and here on the other side we can see BP highway. So the BP highway, it joins the Tarai, that is Bardivas of Nepal, which lies in Tarai region of our country. The total length of the road is 158 km. The road has brought considerable socio-economic changes in its corridor. The people residing in villages along the road have easy access to schools, hospitals, market, etc. They are even benefited by the promotion of different sectors like agriculture, construction, tourism, communication, etc.
It's quiz time. Number 1. Provide full form of SSRP. Number 2. What is the other name of Dhulikhel Bodivas Highway? Number 3. Which country is helping Nepal to launch rural water supply and sanitation project in Nepal? I hope you will write down the answers of this question in the comment section below.
Now here are few questions for practice. 1. Write a news article on SSRP. 2. What are the main functions of the rural water supply and sanitation project? 3. Discuss the benefits of Dhulikhel Bardivas Highway. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. If you haven't checked out our other videos, it's in the description below.